injectors. Very shit design. N20 engine. Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to the video. I'm here with Abu Bakr today, my good friend, my BMW friend. Look, my BMW friend. So today we're going to be changing the fog lights to LED. So one's already out, so I thought why might as well change it. This is a sponsored video. Oxito sponsored it. Thank you Oxito for sending these bulbs out. Let me show you the bulbs. Let me turn the car off now. Alright, these are the bulbs. Oxito sent them out. Thank you Oxito, you're very good men's, women's, everybody women's. So these are LED fog lights. I believe the H8 or something, H11, H8, H16. Yeah, let's have a look at them. So yeah, let's open this. So these aren't CAN bus resistant, whatever you call it, but I'm going to just code it out with my coding machine, so it should be okay. So these don't have a, so they will flicker when you start it up, and they will give you an error, these ones. There are some that don't have error. You'll have like a adapter attached to it. It's like a box thing, resistor thing. These are the bulbs. Thank you Oxito, appreciate it. Right, we're going to switch these over.
To open that.
Alright, so you want to turn your wheel fully. This cover comes off in it. Take off 3 screws. You're not taking all of it, you're just taking the top 3 off in it. We should be able to get in. Yeah. So it's behind here, the fog light ones. So yeah, we'll test it out. Oh, it's cold one.
Yeah.
What is this? How come you need gloves? For the bulbs?
Just in case I don't get dirty. Under there, along
Oh yes, dirt in it, yeah. You're right, you're right. Huh?
Recording, only record hand, okay?
Alright guys, we got you need a 7mm socket and maybe a angled one. It doesn't really matter, you can just use a normal screwdriver. Should be able to get in. So we're taking off 3 bolts, the bottom 3. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Got my handy helper Abu Bakr here, my good friend. Thank you, sir. Just put them in there, the box. You won't fall with it? No. Should be alright. Oh, that's rusted one.
It's weather corrosion, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Hopefully it goes back in.
No, the thing it wasn't. There's no problem with the
Rusters, okay.
They're anti-rust anyway. They've got anti-rust coating on them.
Yeah.
Most of the times.
Have to do a bit more. How's it coming out?
These are just washers.
Yeah.
You can buy them anyway.
So 2 out. There's one more at the top here. You have to take 3 out. It's too tight. Yeah, you need this top one out as well. Some people. Yeah, why is that shit? Dirt in it.
Road.
Mud. Okay, now. Yeah, there's the top one there. Can you see it? There's one more right at the top there. That should let you easily be able to get out. Do you want me to do it? Other way, other way. Yep. Is that tightening it? One loosen.
Don't want to hit the bodywork, so it's gonna. You do like this.
Put your screwdriver on. Oh wait, there's a screwdriver there, Abu. This one here. Should just go straight on it. That should be able to fit in there. But turn it. Yeah, you go. Turn it to your left. There you go, guys. So you just switch over from the other one to the other one. That's gonna go flying down. Spinning.
Gone on
This one.
Keeps going back in every time taking it out. There, got it. There.
Okay, hopefully it goes back in. It's very bad.
The threading is fine on this. It's the
inside thing. Yeah, that's what I mean. The others are rusted badly.
Yeah.
Bulbs on top of the car. I'll change it in a bit. As you can see, winter in UK make very dark, very shit.
You might need to.
Right, we're gonna take this apart and oh yeah, you can see much. It's right at the bottom, isn't it? What?
That screw there, look,
Is it broken?
Yeah, it's not stable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally moving around. You probably moves around when you drive. That's why. Is this the one not working?
Yeah, that's the one that don't work. Right, so that's the bulb there, as you can see. This thing there.
I don't think.
All you're doing is twisting it and pulling out.
Look, come here.
Yeah. Alright, the
Oh, you
bulb's out.
you don't need a H7.
What do you mean?
This, because you don't need a H7 connection for this.
No, it's H8, whatever it is. Yeah.
H8?
It's whatever that is.
Has it got H8 built into it?
Yeah.
Has it got H8 built into it?
Same design, isn't it?
It's built into the light though. You don't need the adapter.
No. You shouldn't need it. Yeah. Alright, we've got it out. Be careful. No. You take the full thing out. From the plug side. Yeah, take the full thing out. That's what the other one is like, innit? Push them in and then pull.
There.
Oh, sorry, sir. Easy. There you go.
Yeah, give me a new one.
New ones up here. Let's go get the new ones.
Alright, I need good light quality now, so you're gonna have to...
Okay guys, we got the good light. These are the new ones. We have a problem here. We're missing a screw on the back of this, so the full thing comes out. If you have a look here, the full thing moves.
This in.
Alright.
I'll do when I put this in.
First we're gonna... Do you want me to test it out first?
Yeah.
Because polarity in it. I don't know. Let's go after. I'll go give it a try now. Yeah. Give me a second.
Ooh.
Oh dear. Is it working? Bright. Very bright. Oh my god, those are bright. Let's go. Look at that once. Alright, they're gonna blind someone in it. Okay, at least we know the connector is working. So those bulb was out, some idiot just broke the bracket. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's gone full black in it. That's dead. Yeah, that bulb's gone. So hopefully this one will be alright. It's very bright. Right, I'm gonna go switch off the car because it's in electric mode right now. Alright guys, we're gonna fit it in, so all you're doing is putting it back in that same spot, twisting it to the right, pushing in. Because the bracket's broken, I'm gonna have to help him. That's why I can't record this section. But I might show you on the other side, so I'll just help you. So yeah, I'll just show you the end result of this. There's a difference, as you can see. Yo, the blinding. LED white one, look at the difference. These are very bright, very bright. Thank you Xito for sending these out. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. That's how you do it. It's very simple. Yeah, my brackets are broken on that side, but otherwise it's alright. Thank you Abu Bakr for helping me on this. We just got one side left. We're gonna twist the wheel to that side now, do the same stuff on this side, and then we should be done. Now guys, both sides are done. As you can see, very bright, very big difference compared to the yellow ones. Thank you Xito again for sending this out. Thank you Abu Bakr for helping me, and yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.